Okay, so the teacher's and who's saying this is trying to say this. So, it's trying to say if it's bigger than 10, you have to do the yes. But if it's less than 10, you have to do the no. So let's going. So let's do with our fingers. 10 add 2. 10 add 2 equals 12. So we give it a yes. Now what's next? 2. Of course, no. Now, next. Ooh, this is wrong.
Neden?
Because if it's same of this, but they're breaking in pieces.
Ha, 2 tane one yapmışlar yani.
Evet.
Tamam.
And 1
Doğru.
add 1 equals, what does it equal? Look at my other finger. If you break up, equals 1 and a 1.
Flying.
My flying pen. This one, 10 add 1 equals 11. So it's a yes. Ooh, this one's a tricky one. It's actually bigger than 10, so it's a yes. Because, don't look, this is a 10, because this is actually, it looks like a 2, but it's not. It's a 50, a T. Okay, so it's that. Now let's go number 6. Now, ooh, this one's a tricky one again. So 5, I got my hand, and 2 equals 7. But is it bigger than 10? No. So we cross it out and do it at the no. Now, 20 and 1 equals 21. Because if you get 20, I mean, and you add 1 more, equals 21. So it's bigger than 10. Now it's, ooh, this one's a tricky one. So you get a 2, guys, yeah? Then you get a 5. So equals 7. But bigger than. Is it bigger than 10? No. So we do a no. Oh, this one's a tricky one.
Bunu atladın.
Oh, silly me. Now, we get 1 and a 5. So we get 2 ones. 2 ones. Oh, I need a rubber. Because I accidentally do a no at that one, but it's a 20.
It's alright, okay.
I do a no there. Because that makes 7.
Ama üstünlerde zaten.
Yeah.
Sıkıntı yok. No problem.
Okay, now let's do this one. Ooh, get. How many 2s are there? Oh, many. And get 6, and then we add a 5. So it makes 11, so it's bigger than 10.
Well done.
Now, which points do you give me, Dad?
Sanırım hepsini doğru yaptın.
Evet.
Değil mi? Evet.
Yeah.
Kontrol edelim. 12 yes. 2 no. 2 no. 11 mı bu? 11
Yeah.
yes. 50
Daddy,
yes.
you don't know your math.
No doğru. 12 yes. No doğru. 21 yes. Doğru. 11 yes. Doğru. Hepsi. 10 out of 10. Well done.
Now let's go next page. Now I know already this, so I don't need to tell you guys, because you're going to add. So what is take away that things. Okay, let's start at 10. 11, 10, take away 5. Because what's half of 10? What is half of 10? So we already take away 10. We already take 1 5 because there's already 1 5. And then we have only 5 more left. So we need to put 5 there. So do I have to give this a tick, Dad?
Yes, please.
Now what's next? Ooh, we need to put 2 at there. How many 1s are there? 2. How many 10s are there? 2. So we're going to put 2 to make 12. Now what's trying to do? Take away 12. Let's do our fingers. Imagine there was 2 there. Take away 6. Trying to do 6. Take away them 2s. There's 10 more left. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to. So it needs to add 6 and a 6. Because what is half of 12? 6 and a 6. So they make 12. And we added 6 and a 6. So it makes 12. Now what add 15?
11.
11, I mean. So let's get our fingers again. Imagine there was 5 there. Yeah. And then we're going to add to put 5 in there, I think. Nah. Let's do it again. What do you need to add some? Oh, I got it. A 4.
Oh, fish.
Because I looked at this, guys. I thought this was a 10. But if it's 11, so we already done 1. We done already 1 10s. I mean 20. We take away 11. No, we take away 10. Now we got the 11. And then we got 12, 13, 14, 15. So it makes 4. So we're going to put 4 in there. Now, oh, this one's a tricky one actually. What's trying to do 10? Let's get our 10s. 10. So what's half of 10? 3. Let's put 3 there. No, 3. Look, if you get 7.
Hayır, işlem ne? İşlem ne?
Oh, to take away 7 to make 10. Oh, I need a rubber.
Yani üstlerini cross yap. Şey yap.
So I need to do at the top. Tick, tick, tick.
De hesapla bakalım neymiş?
Now, we've got 7 to take away 10. No, to make 10. Oh, I don't know this one actually, Dad.
You can find it.
So we're going to take away 7.
Evet, bir şeyden 7'yi çıkaracaksın, 10 kalacak. Neyden 7'yi çıkarırsan 10 kalır.
So I need to take away the... I don't understand this. What is this?
Bak burada yaptığın işlemin tersi bak. Burada bu sefer baştakini boş bırakmış. Aynısı. Neyden 7 çıkarırsan 10 kalır. 10'den itibaren 7 say.
10.
Hayır. 11 diyeceksin önce.
11.
Heh.
9.
Hayır.
No, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Evet.
So there's 7 time. So do I give that tick?
Yes.
Tick. Now, oh, this one's actually very hard one. So it's actually here. So 15, 15, 15, 17, 18, 19. So do I put 19 here, Dad?
Hayır. İşlem ne? Plus.
Plus. So
Plus olunca ne oluyor?
5 and the
14'ten bir şeye 5 ekleyeceksin, 14 edecek. O zaman
Okay.
14'e kadar 5 say.
14.
Hayır.
10.
Bak şöyle yapabilirsin. 14'ten geriye 5 say. 13,
13,
12,
12,
11,
11,
10,
10,
9.
9.
So 9'a 5 eklersen, 5 eklersen 14 oluyor. Şimdi 9'a 5 ekle gör.
9 ediyor.
Hayır. 9'a 5 ekleyince ne oluyor? Görürsün.
If I put 1, 2, 3.
Hayır. Bak 9'a 5 ekleyince nereden başlıyorsun? Elini 5 yap. 9'dan itibaren saymaya başla. 10.
10, 9,
Hayır. 9'dan itibaren 5 sayacağız. 10,
10,
11.
11, 12, 13, 14,
Burada kaç yazıyor?
14
Evet. 9 plus 5.
equals 14.
Evet.
I get that tick. Now, what's the next? Whose are shoes are these? Now, number 7. What?
0.
0? Ooh, we need to take away 13 to make 7. So we put 13 here.
Aferin.
Now, 20 take away 9.
Hayır.
No. 20
Take away something
away
equals to 9.
9. 20, so we get our fingers up. We take away other 5. Now there's only 4 more left. So 14 go there. Oh, I don't know, understand it.
Şöyle yapacaksın. 20'den bir şey çıkarmışlar.
Hı hı.
9 kalmış. Demek ki şöyle yapacaksın. 20'den geriye 9 say. Elini 9 yap. 9 yap ellerini. Heh. Şimdi 20'den itibaren geriye sayacaksın.
20.
Backward. Okay?
20.
Hayır, 20'yi
90.
saymayacaksın. 20'den itibaren.
90.
Heh. 18,
18.
17,
17.
16,
16. 14.
15,
15. 14. 13. 12.
11.
11.
So 11.
Okay. We give that a tick.
Şimdi 11'e ne eklersen 17 olur. 11'den itibaren 70'ye kadar say. Bulursun.
12.
Elini 12,
12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 6.
kaç saydın?
6 saydım.
Aferin.
6. Tick. And now, a final one, 10. Now, 3 take away 6 equals.
Ne soru göremedim. Ha. Şimdi kaçtan 16 çık?
15, 14, 13.
Hayır. Bir rakamdan 16'ni çıkaracaksın, 3 kalacak. Bunu bulmak için 16'den itibaren 3 sayacaksın. 16'den itibaren ilk rakamını elini 3 yap. 16'den itibaren say.
16.
Hayır. 16'den itibaren.
16.
Hayır. 16'den itibaren.
15.
Hayır. İleri doğru.
17. 18. 19.
19. 19'den 16 çıkarsa 3 kalır.
19.
19. Nasıl buluyorsun onu? 16'den itibaren 3 sayarsan kaç çıkarttığını bulursun.
19.
Evet. Doğru. Şimdi
Bye guys. See you.
bye bye demeden önce şimdi matematik işlemlerimizin bittiğini söyleyelim. Bir sonraki videoda görüşmek üzere.
Okay, our next video. Bye. And And our next video we're going to do
English.
English.
Okay. İzlediğiniz için çok teşekkür ederim.
Çok teşekkür ederim.
O zaman bay bay diyelim.
Bye